As we wrap up 2023 and start looking towards 2024, let's break down some data from the market in Northern Virginia so far this year and look at some predictions for next year. Home values are holding strong and in most neighborhoods are still appreciating in value. The average sales price for the third quarter of 2023 was up 8.5% from the third quarter of last year. That is great equity building for homeowners, as the historical year-over-year national average from the past 31 years is around 5.4%. Though the number of home sales has dropped drastically over the last couple of years, most homes are still selling at a clip. The average days that it took for a home to sell in the third quarter was 15, which is almost half of the 29 days it took for a home to sell at the beginning of the year. Some of that difference is due to the seasonality that we see in our market, but we also think some of it is due to buyers coming to terms with the fact that higher interest rates are here to stay for quite some time. Many buyers were hoping that the predictions that interest rates would drop significantly throughout the course of the year would ring true, and were trying to hold out. Unfortunately, a drop in interest rates was not in the cards, and as buyers saw the writing on the wall, more decided to take the leap. As we look towards next year, unfortunately, most economists have changed their predictions that interest rates will drop into the 5% range in 2024. Economists at Fannie Mae and the Mortgage Bankers Association both predict that rates will still drop, but not as significantly, with Fannie Mae forecasting the rates at the end of 2024 to be at 6.7%, while the MBA is more optimistic, with 24 ending at 6.1%. The low supply of homes available for sale is predicted to keep home values from dropping despite elevated interest rates, with both the National Association of Realtors and Zillow economists predicting values in 24 to increase by 3 to 4% on the national level. If you have questions about how this data affects your real estate plans, or want to have a strategy session on how to be successful in this current market, just call, text, or email.